Okay, says my daughter is a 4/6 generator. She pushes herself really hard, and I get concerned that she may hit a burnout stage. How do I support her, encourage her to take time for herself without impeding on her space? I don't think it's impeding. I think it's if you use loving speech, if your tone is like very nurturing, very, you know, how should I say? Yeah, just be mindful of your tone when you speak to her and make it very loving. Not in a way that you are afraid for her health. She's extremely independent. That's good. That's good. Use loving speech. And maybe ask her questions, you know? Ask her questions about how she's doing. Like, ask her, like, what do you do for hobbies? Ask her, like, oh, where, like, have you been... I don't know, have you been to the forest lately? Have you done, like, what do you do for fun? Like, let's do something for fun. Like, first, if you want to talk, maybe make the situation, like, very casual, very laid back. Like, are you in good relation? Do you talk regularly? Do you have a good relationship with your daughter? Oh, where do you get the number? You mean like 5-1 projector? It's all on the chart. Where do you have your chart from, Ying? Maybe when we're walking in the forest. Yes, we're close. I think that's pretty okay for the support part, you know? I think it's pretty... I don't think you telling her to take time for herself is impeding on her space. Like, just to get that out of the way. I don't think... Like, if let's say, if I see my girlfriend and she has been working on the PC for the last hour and a half and her back is slumped up like this and she's barely breathing deep, she's like very shallow breaths, she's already tired, she doesn't see it, but I do. And if I come and I like put my hand on her or just from the distance, like, honey, like, you need to breathe, you need to get up a little bit, you're burning out. I don't see that as impeding on her space. I see that as caring. I see that as I'm aware of something she's not, and if I tell her, like, honey, take a break, just get up and breathe and do some hula hoop and go for a walk for 5 minutes and drink some water, whatever. I don't see that as impeding on her space. Or if I tell her, like, you're really trying too hard, you're not resting enough. I think that's caring. That's caring. That's a suggestion. She doesn't have to do it, but you can suggest things as long as it's in loving speech. As long as it's not in, like, just tell her in a way that she can take it or leave it. Not in a way that it has any conditions with it, you know? Ying, where do you get the number? So yeah, it says that on the chart. Loving speech, not mom speech. Yes. Yes. Like, yeah, like you're equals. Like, how would you tell that to a friend or something? So keeping her independence there. Yeah, exactly. You nailed it. Loving speech, not mom speech. Exactly.